everyone. I want to welcome you to the channel. I appreciate you clicking on this video. Today's video will be a transition pack, so let's get right into it. All of these transitions are simple. They are just drag and drop transitions. So we're gonna start off with the rotate anti-clockwise transition, and that looks like this. It's a nice quick transition. And here's our next one, which is rotating clockwise. So it's the same thing, just the reverse way. So just like that. Looks nice. All of these transitions can be used in corporate commercials. They can be used in music videos. They can be used in a lot of stuff. Here's the bulge transition. I really like this one. This is one of my favorites. That's a nice one right there. It has a type of distortion look to it that I just love. That's nice right there. All right, our next one is the slide left transition. So a quick slide left. Go to the next one, slide right. Same thing, just the opposite way. All these transitions are really good, and they are available in the description below. So go check that out on my website. And last but not least, we have the dust film transition. That's pretty cool right there. It's like it goes kind of like into a gray fade, and then it just reveals what's on the next clip. It's really cool. I want to thank you guys for watching today's video. Hopefully you liked it. Please comment your favorite transition and what you want to see next on the channel, and I'll be glad to upload it with you guys. Thank you guys, and consider liking the video and subscribing. You guys have a great day. Thank you.